It's really just about affecting people's emotions. You affect what they see. That's the balance between the natural world and the made world. It's that subtle in-between where you can't tell where it came from. And I think that's that area we like to play in. You walk into a room that has a fire and a fireplace, and you all of a sudden are drawn to that. You know, it's a very kind of natural instinct, and I think, in a sense, lighting does that for people. It draws you to it. It centers you in the room.
Well, we met in architecture school at USC.
And then started our own thing in '03. And we had a kid in '04.
We started, it was a total accident. We started doing architecture projects, and then a family friend wanted a light fixture. So Ryan made the fixture here in our dining room. And when we were done, we kind of stood back and thought, this has some potential to it.
We are a company that can provide unusual, interesting, large, unthought of, unique lighting experiences at any scale, any size, and any weight. I mean, design should make your life better. That is really a goal for us, is to improve environments based on our ability to create the pieces that we do. I mean, the great joy in being in a design industry is every day is different.
It's kind of funny to see where the day is going to take us, because it is really across the board, and that's what I look forward to. It's always going to be something different, and that's what's fun.